Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable winter deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a wreath ring, and then I have light blue, white, and royal blue deco mesh, and this really pretty snowflake ribbon, and scissors. You will also need chenille stems. Alright, let's get started. I've cut all three colors of my deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I have also cut my ribbon into 8 or 9-inch long pieces. And I have cut my chenille stems in half. What I'm going to do is take my first piece of mesh, roll it at a diagonal, take the second piece, roll it, and crisscross it over the first piece, and repeat the same step with the third piece. And then take a piece of ribbon and place it on top, scrunch everything together, take half of a chenille stem, and twist it in place. And I like to crisscross all of the mesh to make sure that each color is visible, just like that. And when I'm making my bundles, I'm going to alternate which colors I have on top. So sometimes I'll start with white, sometimes the royal blue, it just depends. Now another option you have is rolling the mesh at a cute little curl. That will look adorable as well. But for this specific wreath, I want to kind of give it a snowflake feel, so I think rolling it at a diagonal will do the trick. And you can cut the ribbon pieces longer if you choose to do so, or shorter, it's completely up to you. And I'm also going to make some bundles without ribbon at all, so I'm going to alternate these bundles once I start placing them on my wreath. Alright, and then I'm going to also have bundles without ribbon. So I will alternate a bundle with ribbon, a bundle without. Now if you choose to have ribbon in all of your bundles, you can definitely do so. If you want to leave the ribbon off altogether, you can do that as well. It's completely up to you. Alright, I'm going to make all of the bundles and show you the next steps. Alright, I have all of my bundles here. Some have ribbon, some don't. I think it's easiest to make all of your bundles before you start placing them on the ring. Now, what I'm going to do is use the center two rings. Now, you can alternate the inner, outer if you choose to do so, but using the center two makes a very nice size wreath. So I'm going to place my bundle and twist it a couple of times, and then tuck away the chenille stem. Then you can adjust it, maneuver it, however you'd like. Take my next bundle, place it in the center two, and twist it a couple of times. And I'm going to repeat this step all the way around the ring. For each section, I'm going to have 5 bundles. That makes a decent sized wreath. You can use 5 or 6 bundles. It just depends on what you prefer. But 5 bundles makes a decent sized wreath. So for the 6 sections, I will have a total of 30 bundles. 5 bundles in each section. And I have 3 pieces of mesh in each of my bundles. Alright, this is what one section looks like. So cute and poofy already. This is what the back looks like. Alright, let's add more bundles and show you the finished product. Alright, it looks so cute and precious. It definitely reminds me of a winter wonderland and snowflakes. It's so cute. Now I'm just adjusting and maneuvering, making sure everything looks nice and precious. Fluffing up my wreath. So this is what the back looks like. And I used 5 bundles in each of my 6 sections, so this is a total of 30 bundles. You can definitely add 6 bundles if you choose to do so. But it looks so cute, precious, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors and patterns to fit your needs. But all items can be purchased at Dollar Tree for less than $10. So cute.